Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Today we are analyzing this stock Bank of Baroda. Let's see the trading level for Bank of Baroda. Now see that this is the swing low of Bank of Baroda and this is the swing high of Bank of Baroda. You can even consider this as a swing low. Okay, then you will see that 78 rupees or 77.95 will act as 0.382 level, and if you will consider this as swing low for Bank of Baroda, then also you will see that 78 rupees will act as a support or 0.5 region for Bank of Baroda. One thing. Now let's analyze what's happening in this stock. The stock is actually falling, and it is falling very drastically. Okay, it made a low of 99.9 rupees, and from there it is falling and falling to the levels that the investors are getting panicked. Okay, now let's see what is happening here. First of all, if the stock will cross this red line, okay, this red resistance zone, then it will rally for 83 rupees, 83 rupees, okay, or you can say 82.9 rupees, 82.85 rupees, okay. And if the stock goes below 78.6, today's low, then you will see the target of 78.5 rupees for sure, okay, on intraday basis. And let's analyze this stock in the long run. Okay, first of all, let's come to the monthly chart of Bank of Baroda. Okay, in the monthly chart you will see that this was the swing high for Bank of Baroda and this was the swing low of Bank of Baroda. Okay, and the stock has not yet taken its 0.618, or you can say 0.382 level retracement. Okay, so that level is around 109.70. okay, and the next support also lies here around 77.45. okay, so what you can see clearly is that 77.45 or 77.5 to 78 rupees will act as a support for this stock on intraday, or you can even consider in long run. Okay, so this is the level which you should keep watching. If this stock goes below 77 rupees and gives a closing below 77 rupees for 1 or 2 days, then only we will consider exiting this stock from our investment, or you can say swing positions, until or unless it is safe. Okay, now let's analyze this in intraday again. As you can see, the stock is actually making this line as a resistance. Okay, and if this resistance line is broken tomorrow, if this resistance line is broken, then only we will consider buying this stock, or if this support is broken, then only we will consider selling this stock. Okay, thank you for watching.